I've been trying to find out what's the secret knowledge that was supposedly in Tantra and Tibet or the Taoists. And most of those traditions were so androcentric, so patriarchal, that the role of women in them was just like little toys to be used so the guy could ascend higher consciousness. And there weren't really traditions other than this sort of goddess worship that Daniel Odier talks about that seems to have predated that, where there were these yoginis, these crazy wild yoginis who were teaching kind of the old goddess religion, perhaps. That I know that's all very controversial, whether that actually existed or not. But there were these female masters that were teaching through their bodies, through connection, and they disappeared under the patriarchy. But Daniel Odier, a famous teacher in France, came out and said he had been initiated by this female guru into sexual tantra. So that's been one of the things that I'm learning about. I still have not encountered anywhere these long, massive psychedelic sexual experiences. Now there is Karetsa, which maybe some of your listeners have heard about, which is lengthy lovemaking without ejaculation. And they say that enhances, I should stop myself right here. The other amazing thing that happened for us is when we met and went into this relationship, both of us were like disasters at relationship. I had been married 3 times, and my relationship history was terrible, and then suddenly through this experience we had of being in the expanded states together, we came out of that knowing how to do a perfect relationship. It like transformed us being in these expanded states together. So now we have like the perfect relationship that everyone is looking for, that I was always looking for, that I didn't actually think existed. And we have come up with how do we do that? We've come up with some things, how do we do that? But I also believe it was part of being in this altered state together for so long.
Yeah, we were both hoping to find relationships that weren't as bad as the last one. So maybe we fought a little bit less, and we feel bad less of the time. But up until that time, there was literally no one that I could be around for an extended length of time without having them kind of get on my nerves. And I'm with this being 24/7. I never tire of her. I mean, we're actually very tightly connected in every possible way that you could think. And that would not have happened with someone else or at another stage in my life. And we have a joke saying, thank God we didn't meet each other 5 years earlier, because it would have just blown up.
We would have wrecked it.